Our Indian as apple pie tandoori masala is super, super special, folks. Why? Well, just take a look at the ingredient list. If you read through it, it starts with coriander seed, goes to cumin seed, all these other spices. At the end of it, it says paprika. There is no red food dye 40, which is one of the reasons why I started my own spice blend company back in the day when my kids were little. I would purchase tandoori masala and I turned it around finally one day and read that many of them actually contain red food dye 40. That is why ours is a little tougher to make and it does cost a little bit more, but it's truly, truly worth it. It is so, so delicious, but also so good for you. Also, I want you to turn your jars upside down and look at this. I could not be prouder that we are ground in America. We actually take these spice recipes, they're my own. I developed them over the period of a couple years, found someone to actually roast first and then grind our Indian spice blends. That is so, so critical. You can find us on many retail shelves throughout the Midwest. If you want the full list, check out my website, indianasapplepie.com. It is on there, the tab that says buy where. You can click on it and you will find all the different stores that carry our brand. If your store does not, please ask them to. We are distributed by Fortune Fish and Gourmet. We're very, very proud to work with them. And this is going to be a blend that you want to get into your weekly menu rotation. 1 tablespoon in 1 cup of yogurt. It doesn't matter if it is dairy or not. It could be plant-based as well. Marinate your protein in that. Put some salt in it and then grill it right up. Another way to use this is to sprinkle this over a protein or over vegetables and then stir fry them. So lots of different ways to use it. Tandoori masala, if you can't find it on a shelf near you, ask your favorite retailer to bring this in or pop on my website and you can purchase it from there. All right, indianasapplepie.com.